Cocci or coccus. So basically means small and round. This is commonly a word root used with bacteria and microscopic organisms. So streptococcus is the bacteria that actually causes strep throat. And coccidia is what they call an intracellular parasite. So it's a single-celled organism that gets into your cells and basically is a parasite inside your cells, kind of like malaria is. So con means together. So converge, if two things converge, they come together in one place, like maybe one idea or one location. Congregate means to gather together. Conglomerate could refer to a rock type that is made of a bunch of smaller parts that are glued together. Almost looks like concrete, so you actually see like pebbles and things like that in there. Also could refer to a large corporation that has a bunch of smaller companies kind of under one umbrella. Confluence actually refers to where two streams or rivers flow together. Cyte or cyto means cell. So cytoplasm is like the plasma part of the cell, the liquidy part of the cell that surrounds all the organelles and stuff. That is the cytoplasm. Leukocytes are white blood cells. Erythrocytes are red blood cells. And then cytokinesis is a part of cell division, the very end of cell division, when the two cells actually separate and become two daughter cells. So dem or demo means people. So demographics is the study of populations, really. It's a study of how age is distributed in a population. So how many old people are there? How many young people are there? Birth rates, death rates, stuff like that. That's demographics. Epidemic is something that is widespread among a group of people or a community or a country. So maybe some sort of disease is an epidemic in an area compared to a pandemic over here, which pandemic basically means around the entire world. So that's why we had a coronavirus pandemic, so it was all over the world. But you could have like an Ebola epidemic, which is mainly like one area, say in Africa. Democracy, a form of government that is ruled by the people. So you vote on people to be in office, you can vote people out of office, et cetera, et cetera. And D means to remove. So to decompose means to remove composition. This is basically the breakdown of material. So if something decomposes, it breaks apart. So in chemistry, we talk about chemicals decomposing, or in forensic science, you may talk about bodies decomposing. Depose basically is a political type term referring to removing someone from office, usually forcefully, but removing someone from office. Deactivate means to turn off or to remove activation. When you activate something, you turn it on and make it work, and if you deactivate it, you turn it off, so you remove the activation. And desalination is a term referring to removing salt from seawater, so you're removing the salt. So saline, if you think about saline solution, that is a saltwater solution. So desalination means to remove the salt.